Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the new Ekster wallet. This has the cool flip-up function. It's carbon fiber look right there. It has a push button to get all your cards. You can take all these cards out, put them back in. Easy enough, like that, fold, and bam, they pop out just like that every time. Do that one more time. It's pretty quick and easy. We like these wallets a lot. It also comes with a back piece here. You can put more documentation in, you can put some money in here, maybe some receipts, and when you need to, just press it and it's good to go. If you need the card in the back, you can pull that right out. It's pretty simple. I like the carbon fiber look, like I said. It's on both sides. And they also have a Chipolo tracker that works with Android and iOS if you get that too. But this is the new one from them, and it's got the carbon fiber look. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.